In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix location error on Draftkings. So if Draftkings is giving you an error like location, unable to verify location, or geolocation failed, here are the steps that we need to do in order to attempt to fix it. So number one is that you need to give Draftkings permission to actually use your location. Because if you do not let Draftkings use your location, then it cannot determine where you are. So in order to adjust that, please open up the settings app like you normally would. Go to the top menu. Then you want to look up apps and permissions. All right, and then once you're here, please look up Draftkings. All right, so here we got Draftkings. Then you want to select on permissions, and you need to double check that location is actually turned on. Draftkings needs to have that in order for it to actually work. And of course, make sure that you turn on your Wi-Fi, because even if you use Ethernet, you need to keep Wi-Fi enabled, because Draftkings geolocation software often uses nearby Wi-Fi networks to actually verify your location. So if you're trying to use something like a VPN or something like that, that's also not going to work. Because once again, in order for Draftkings to determine where you are, it first analyzes the networks that are around you, right? And sometimes Draftkings can just get a little bit silly, and in that instance, you want to uninstall the app and then reinstall it one more time. I know it sounds a little bit weird, but sometimes you will need to go ahead and just do something like that as well. Also, there could be other things as well. So if you're near like the border of a state, for example, that is going to make the geolocation harder. So you really want to make sure that you are in a location where a Draftkings actually does work. But that is basically what you're able to do. Unfortunately, this is one of those situations where there isn't a single cookie cutter solution. So if you guys have any other ideas or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section down below so that you're able to help out other people who stumble upon this video. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.